back to my channel. It's your girl Jhnel. As you can see from the title, we gonna be installing this wig. Yep, first time installing a wig. Actually a teapot wig, but first time, no, not first time dyeing, but like I'm gonna dye this here, as you can see the color, and do my makeup, and then we gonna look cute. So stay tuned for this video and let's get right into it. By the way, y'all, I'm doing a 500 subscribers giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned. Like, I'm not just saying this in every video for you to take it lightly. I'm really giving away some cash like crazy. But stay tuned for this video, and I mean, enjoy this video and comment below what you would like to see next, and give me some pointers, like, you know, what you like about this video or anything. Just blow me up in the comments, and I appreciate y'all. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhnel. As you can see from the title, you're probably wondering, is this girl really gonna put Gorilla Glue in her hair? Well, we gonna find out. But for now, we're just gonna wash this wig, kind of soak it, and use this conditioner to take the glue off. Just refresh your wig, because people don't be washing their wig sometimes, and that's crazy because listen, the hair sweats and everything. So we're just gonna comb through it so we can untangle the knots from the previous use. And here you see me actually taking off the glue. Now I'm gonna use the Adore emerald color to dye the hairs. So y'all, this is the water method for dyeing hair. It basically involves hot water and the dye. So I basically put some hot water in that pan, and then I mixed it around with the comb, and I basically like tested it to see if that's the color I wanted. So you can see that I dipped it in there, and yeah, it was a perfect color. So I'm just gonna add the green to it. Stir. Beautiful. Look at that color, y'all. Like, I've never tried blue before, and I was so excited to do this and try something new. So now I'm just gonna use the purple, I think it's conditioner or shampoo, but what the beauty girls always use to even out the color. So now I'm gonna just wash it out, and there we have it. On to the next clip. Y'all, I know I look rough right here, but I'm basically using the olive thingy. I'm gonna link it in the description below to just seal on this wig. Now after the wig cap dry, I'm just gonna use this coochie shaver. I didn't use it but for my coochie, but you know, I want to use it on this wig. So I'm just cutting around the ball cap so it could be melted or whatever. So yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna use my makeup to just blend it in so it could look melted to my skin.
I'm not that person y'all trying to make me out to be. I'm not that person. I'm not this whole Gorilla Glue girl. My name is Jessica Brown. Call me.
Alright, y'all, now I'm just applying the Gorilla Glue to my edges. I'm joking. Ain't no Gorilla Glue around here. Like, this is the regular ball hole glue. We ain't reached that level yet. Y'all, I know this hair look crazy right now, but like, it's gonna look better in the end. Alright, y'all, I'm not really doing a makeup tutorial, so I'm just gonna let this one play out. You can just listen to the music and wait for the finishing look. Don't skip through this video. a process. Like, oh my God, it's looking beautiful. You, me, I feel beautiful. Like, I feel beautiful. It's so cute. Oh, you know.
Bad idea. Yo, look, my hair, it don't move. You hear what I'm telling you? It don't move. I've washed my hair 15 times and it don't move. Stiff wear. Woo. My hair. So I'm gonna tell y'all like this. If you ever run out of got to be glue spray, don't ever use this unless you want your hair to be like that for.
All right, y'all, let me go change. So y'all, this is the final look. I hope y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some pointers. Like, I didn't expect this wig to turn out looking so decent since it's a T-part wig, and this is the first time I'm installing a T-part wig. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty decent. Like, I look cute or whatever, I look beautiful. And yep, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.